Hey there, future homeowners and real estate aficionados. Welcome to NC Realty IQ, your ultimate guide to everything real estate in the great state of North Carolina with focus on the triangle. I'm here on behalf of Rich Cook with NorthGroup Real Estate, and I'm going to share with you what it's like to live, work, and play in the most excellent place, where he calls home. Get ready to learn about the key elements that will help you make this life-changing decision. First up, let's talk market insights. The North Carolina Triangle area market has been and remains hot, with competitive prices and a diverse range of properties. Keep an eye on those market trends. Knowing when to buy or sell can make all the difference. Next, let's dive into buyer and seller guides. Are you a first-time home buyer or a seasoned seller? No matter your experience level, Rich has tips and tricks to help you navigate the process. From securing financing to closing the deal, Rich Cook has your best interest at heart. Now let's shift gears to lifestyle and community. The Triangle of North Carolina is known for its vibrant communities and diverse lifestyles. Whether you're into outdoor adventures, arts and culture, or want a great place to raise a family, we'll take the time to figure it out. And who doesn't love a good DIY and home improvement project? With a background in construction, Rich will share some easy and budget-friendly tips to boost your home equity value. Whether you're a DIY novice or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn. Legal and financial advice is next on our list. Navigating the legal and financial aspects of real estate can be tricky. From understanding contracts to managing your mortgage, Rich will break it down into a user-friendly format. Staying informed can give you a competitive edge in the market. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and Rich will get back to you. And as always, you are the star of your own show. Thanks for tuning in to NC Realty IQ.